Want to transform your home without breaking the bank? Whether you just moved in or you're looking to refresh your space, decorating on a budget is totally doable, and I'm here to tell you how. In this video, I'm going to share some of the best affordable home decorating tips that will make your home look stylish and inviting without spending a fortune. Hey there, I'm Jess. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things business, finance, and productivity. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when we post new content. Let's get decorating. Number 1, shop secondhand. Check out thrift stores, flea markets, and online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and eBay. You'd be surprised at the high-quality furniture and decor you can find for a fraction of the price. Look for solid wood furniture, unique decor pieces, and even artwork. A little DIY, like a fresh coat of paint or new handles, can make secondhand finds look brand new. Number 2, DIY decor. You don't have to be an artist to make simple, stylish pieces. Try creating your own wall art with affordable canvases and acrylic paint, or frame pretty wrapping paper or fabric for instant, budget-friendly artwork. Do you have old jars and bottles laying around? Give them a coat of spray paint for chic vases. Small DIY projects can save you money while adding a personal touch to your space. Number 3, rearrange and repurpose. Sometimes the best way to refresh your home is completely free. Try rearranging your furniture to make the space feel bigger and more functional. Swap decor items between rooms. Maybe a bedside lamp would look great in the living room, or a basket from the bathroom could be repurposed for living room storage. Think outside the box. Number 4, budget-friendly wall upgrades. Your walls set the tone for your home, and you don't need expensive renovations to upgrade them. Peel and stick wallpaper or wall decals are an affordable way to add style without commitment, especially friendly if you are renting. Even a simple painted accent wall in a bold color can transform a space for just the cost of a paint can. Number 5, affordable textiles. Textiles like rugs, curtains, and throw pillows can instantly make a space feel cozier and more put together. Instead of splurging on designer pieces, check out discount stores, online sales, or even make your own pillow covers from old fabric or thrifted clothes. Mixing textures and patterns can make your home feel stylish on a budget. Number 6, indoor plants. Plants are one of the easiest and most affordable ways to bring life to your home. You don't need to spend a lot. Check out plant swaps, garden clubs, cuttings from friends, or affordable plants from grocery stores. Even faux plants can work if you're not great at keeping them alive. Place them in thrifted or DIY pots for a stylish touch. And there you have it, my friends. Easy, budget-friendly ways to decorate your home without spending a fortune. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this info helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more finance tips coming soon. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.